Hello and welcome to We Do Disney. My name is Emmy and this is Quick Tip Tuesday. So some of you might know that there are multiple locations in Disney where you don't have to necessarily be in a park in order to see fireworks. Tonight it's July 3rd and I'm here with some of my good friends, including Doug of course, and we are going to see fireworks from the Polynesian Resort Beach. Tonight is supposed to be 360-degree fireworks and I am super excited. So next time you don't want to go to the park and see fireworks there because it's just crowded and mobbed, and maybe you just want to be a little bit more relaxed, especially on a busy holiday like today, then maybe you go to retreat to one of the resorts. The Polynesian's a great one, Contemporary Resort is a great one, and if any of you have a fun spot for fireworks that doesn't involve being in a park, let us know. That was our quick tip and we hope you have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the thumbs up and like and subscribe. See y'all soon. Whoa. It's so late right now.
There we go.
Whoa!
There we go.
Oh my gosh, it just fills the sky.
It's about to get weird.
Wow! Oh my god. Woo! Wow!
That looked like